In this segment for today's kettlebell training is going to be for the runner squat. Okay, this is a single leg squat. And again, with a runner squat, we're putting our foot behind us and maybe even keeping it off the ground. We can support it on something, or we can just simply squat and then come back up. It's simulating that we're using this leg underneath us in a run. And then we're going to be bringing this leg forward. We're just keeping that leg back, breathing in and out. So follow me along here. Let's go through 10 reps. And that's 1. Nice and smooth. And exhale. So we're looking at the muscle finder. 3 seconds down, up, 1, 2, 3. Down, 1, 2, 3, up. And there's already some burn starting in that thigh. Okay? So as we get working through the leg, we want to keep that consistent burn, feeling it to the muscles. That's telling us we're burning stored sugar. All right? We want to keep that stored sugar burned down. So just keep breathing in and out. Good. As we work with the kettlebell, we're just keeping that neutral grip there, keeping our good body control because it's on one side. Good. Last few reps here. Work with that hip and that thigh, that air. And again, on a squat, it's actually helping. Current research is showing it's helping get oxygenation to the blood, to the head, up into the brain. So that pumping action of going down, back up is helping us move that oxygen. And we're going to begin here. Down, 1, 2, up, 1, 2, 3. Down, 1, 2, 3, up. Exhale, right, bring it in. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now where we have to think about it. Are we getting a burn to the leg muscles there, right? The hip and tighten. There we go. 3, up, 3. Good. And as we keep going, we're going to be going 1 minute, right? 10 reps. 3 seconds down and 3 seconds up. 2, 3. Firm it up. Feel the full stretch position. Good for the 90 in the knee, about 90. In the power position for the leg. And up and flex the thigh. Down and stretch. Using that hamstring and thigh. On, up. Down, smooth. Up. Good. Last one. Nice and strong. And flex. Good. So now you can feel we got the burn. The glycogen's getting burned down in those thigh muscles due to the strength, the workout that we're doing. When we're walking, we don't have any additional resistance. So again, we don't really burn our glycogen stores down like we do when we're doing it with weights. So as a first round there, you can always repeat this video. Again, do another round, focus on the muscle finder, 3 seconds down, 3 seconds up, feeling that you keep a sustained burn to burn the glycogen down in those thigh muscles, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next workout with M3 on the kettlebell. Thank you.